Hello, it's Angeline here. Today we are block hopping with Brutus, Monroe and Unity Stamp design team, and I'm gonna show you how to do some embossing with some perfect pearls. So first, check out this beautiful Brutus Monroe Unity stamp called Spilled Paint. It is huge. You can fit on your A2 size card easily without any problem. And what I'm gonna do here today is to use some perfect pearls to brighten up my card, and I'm going to use the Stamp and Bond from Stampendous. You'll see how I use it later with some Versamark ink. So first, I want to ink up the entire stamp using my Versamark ink, or any embossing inks will do. And instead of stamping onto my card, I'm using my card and putting it directly onto the stamp and just smoothing it out with a scrap piece of paper to make sure all the ink is evenly distributed on my card. Next, I'm grabbing the Stamp and Bond embossing powder to just sprinkle all over my card. What's great about this powder is when it is heated up, it will dry slightly tacky so that you can apply any kinds of glitter, foiling, or perfect pearls in this case. So as you can see, it will turn translucent once it is dried, and to the touch, it is slightly tacky. Next, I'm grabbing my perfect pearl, which are pigment powders, and I've already put them into some fill containers for easy access. I'm grabbing a dry brush here and just picking up the powder directly and applying it onto my card. As you can see, the colors appear different on black surface. The pink powder appears kind of like purplish bluish, so it's a very nice surprise when you use these powders on a darker surface. And the colors tend to pop up even more. Just check out how beautiful the colors are appearing on the card. Once you're done applying all the powder, just take your brush and just brush off the excess. You could also use a microfiber cloth here to just get the excess off the card, and here is how it looks on black. And I've also done a white version. These are the same colors that I've used, and just check out how different it looks on both the cards. Next, I'm grabbing this one from the Grow in Grace April Unity Sentiment Kit from 2018, and I stamped it on some cardstock and colored it with some Copic markers, and now I've die cut it with some square scallop die here. And because I want to show off the beautiful background that I've just created, I'm just going to fussy cut the top part of the swan with my trusty honeybee scissors. So it's time to assemble the card. Just grab any adhesive that you have. Here I'm using some glue tape to adhere the swan and the sentiment, which I have embossed with some silver embossing powder. Just check it out how pretty and shiny the card is in black and also white. I can't choose which is my favorite, so let me know which is yours. So here are my finished cards. I hope you enjoy this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!